Good morning. It's your girl, Maya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright, y'all. It is currently 7:39, and guess what? I woke up with Target on my mind. So I got my butt up and we're going to Target. I left my husband and that kid in that bed. I'm gonna have a good time at Target. I'm really going to Target because Gray has been having this like dry cough, but it's like persistent, and it's been, she mostly does it at night. So I'm going to get her this cough syrup called Zarbee's. Her doctor, I emailed her doctor to see what I should do about congestion, because she had some congestion one day last week. It was literally for a day, but John was like, we need to do something about her congestion. So I powered up the humidifier, the diffuser in our room, because it can be kind of dry in our house. So I fired up the humidifier thinking that would help, and it did help the congestion. But now this week she has like a dry cough, so I'm gonna go to Target to get the Zarbee's cough syrup for babies, because I want my baby to be in tip-top shape. I don't ever want anything to be wrong with her at all. My baby needs to be perfect at every moment. And by perfect, I mean healthy and happy, all right? And fed. So yeah, it's really peaceful driving to Target before 8 a.m. on a Sunday morning. It's gray outside, a little drizzle. You know, I just feel like this is just prime time solo mom Target shopping weather. Y'all feel me? Yeah. I'm gonna enjoy this. I probably don't need to take too long, because I know John is like trying to sleep, and like when I was walking out the door and Grace started so I don't know what type of time they're having, but I'm gonna have a good one. I really am fighting the urge to get Starbucks. Really fighting the urge. Like, I always think that when you are planning on having a great time to go shopping at one of your favorite stores, you should have a cup of Starbucks in your hand. But also, I feel like it's too early to get Starbucks, and that's hurting my feelings, because I really want it, only because it's kind of a tradition for me to get Starbucks and then go shopping at Target. That's the only reason why I want it. I really don't like physically want it. I feel like it's gonna make my stomach hurt, because I haven't even drunk a sip of water yet. I literally rolled out of bed. Well, I woke up because I had to feed Gray, and I was like, the sun is coming out. I feel pretty rested, and she needs some cough syrup. So that's originally why I was up. So I forgot the point I was about to make. Yeah. One thing about me, I'm gonna find the closest parking spot I can possible. And it's something about the Target near my house. I always get the perfect parking spot. I've been watching Miss Rachel too damn much. And I got the first parking spot in the parking lot. Hold on. Oh shoot. Let me take a picture. This gonna be my thumbtack. I mean my thumbnail. Alright, let's go in. Target literally has the cutest stuff. But look at this ornament. So cute. Look at these gift boxes. Love that. Look at all of these. Hold on. This is so cute, literally. And they have the disco balls. I might have to get this. I mean, I know it's like more Happy New Year's material, but I might need to get this for Christmas. It's like no matter what you came to Target for, you have to stop in this dollar area. It's like mandatory. Oh. I got these brushes for my sisters because they wanted, well, I'm going to give them a like hair package for Christmas. So I'm gonna get like little cute stuff like this. They can put this in their purse without having like to put a whole paddle brush in their bags for like their sewings and stuff. Alright, now this is what I actually came here for. So this is the Zarbee's brand. I don't know which one I'm gonna get though. Oh, this is the nighttime with chamomile. I mean, I don't think she need no. Well, she do mostly have it at night though. As long as it don't got no melatonin in it. I'm not with that giving your babies melatonin every 5 seconds and everything. But chamomile, that's different. We can do chamomile. And especially since she be like having the coughing at nighttime mostly. But can you give it to them during the day? I'm like, it should be okay. Let's get it. All right, should I get the chest rub too? I don't know. I don't want to get too much. Babies 2 months and older. Use up to 3 times a day, or as directed by a physician. Gently massage on chest, neck, back, or bottom of feet. Do not use on babies under 2 months of age. I feel like it's gonna come in handy, so I'm gonna get it. All right. Oh no, that's Mommy's Bliss. I was about to say, oh, they got the Zarbee's package, daytime and nighttime in one, but that's not Zarbee's. That's something else. The only reason I'm so stuck on Zarbee's is because that's what the doctor mentioned. She didn't mention Mommy's Bliss or nothing like that. So we're gonna stick with what was recommended. Yeah, so we got what we came for. Now let's see if we find anything else that we want. Then I just looked on the Target app, they have 2 coupons, 20% off, and there's a manufacturer's coupon for $2 off. So we lucked up. Now I'm like, should I get the daytime syrup too? But I think I'm gonna just stick with the chamomile one. So, because I feel like she can have that during the daytime. I mean, I don't think it'll like make her drowsy or nothing like that. I think it's just calming. So we're gonna stick with that. As a new mom, you know I have to stop in the toy section. But look what I just stumbled upon. This is literally so cute. HBCU? Yes, this is so cute. And we're out of my favorite store, where you're gonna get what you want and have a vibe while you're at it. Alrighty. Well, that will conclude my Target shopping video. I went there for Zarby stuff for my baby, and that's what I got, and I didn't get too much more than that. So I did good, and I got sales. It was supposed to be like $25. I ended up getting it, or 20 something dollars. I ended up getting it for $17. So that was a successful shopping trip. Now I'm gonna go home and not sure what I'm gonna do next. But thank y'all for watching. If you made it all the way through the video, if you made it through the end of this video, you're really down for me and you love me. And since you're still here, drop down some tips on what you would like to see me do, or anything I could do better, because I'm really just trying to be consistent, like at least drop a video a week for y'all. So, you know, if you're here to the end, you might as well help your girl out, you know, help your sister out. But I love y'all. Like, comment what I just told y'all to comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Like, why not? If you know you want to watch my videos, just turn on your post notifications, because I'm gonna be dropping videos for you, so might as well just drop. They're gonna get better every time. All right, I love y'all. Y'all have a good day. Y'all have an amazing day. And don't let nobody ruin your day, and don't go ruining nobody else's. All right? Love y'all. Bye.